viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you'll see how to customize the raster layer properties. That is, typically we'll be dealing with the color scaling, then classification based on various methods, and so on. So this will actually give a better visualization of your map. Okay. So I have a TIFF file here. I'm going to right click and go to the properties option. So in the properties, you can see the general that is starting with the layer name. And if there is any description related to it, it will show here. Then second is the source, you can see related options as well as information, key metadata, then extent of your layer, display, and here comes a symbology where you'll play around. So this is kind of a stretched version that is starting from maybe the black to stretching onto the white shade. Okay. Now we can go with classified version as well. So this will be like if this is the range we'll be giving this black color. Now if this is the range we are going to give the white color for all the values at that range. So this is what is the difference between classified and stressed. I'll show you an example. So we are going to classify it. See that is these levels will have same color. Now we are going with stretched again. So this is how it looks. Now let us play around with colors. This is a digital elevation model. So it starts from the below sea level and to many meters high above the sea level. So I prefer to use the shades of blue for lower levels and the shades of red or brown for the higher levels. So when you select the color option, you can see various colors available. And I'm going to use this color or this color. Okay. So this is kind of high is getting blue. No, I want to invert it. So low is getting blue shade and high is getting red. Okay. So let us apply. Yeah, beautiful. You can change the colors according to your layers and your map. So I'll show you one color again. So this is kind of high takes violet. Okay. Okay. Then the other option is the classified option. Here, if you click onto the classify, you can see various options. First is a classification method that is manually you can type the breaks here, then equal interval, defined interval, quantile, natural breaks, geometric interval, standard deviation. So these are the available options. So I'm going to use the quantile. Let us quantile the classification. Then I'm going to use maybe 7 classification. Okay. And let us change the color to it. Green and red. Okay. Let us see how this looks like. Uh, so this is the highest comes the lowest, then this is kind of second lowest. Third lowest, then comes yellow, green, then dark green. So this is how you can change the layer properties, that is the visible properties. You can go with classified option or stretched option. So classified, you can change the classification method as well as the number of classes you want. And here stretched, you can invert the color RAM using this option. And if you want to label, see here it is like I'll apply. So here it is like high 25, 15. So if you want to change this label to just 25, 15, just you need the values only. So you can use this. It will show this. So these are like it will be useful when you are creating a map. So when you're adding the legend, you can directly add this map. So it will look the same. So like if you want, I'm going to change this as high elevation. Then you can change this as low elevation. I'm going to use this. So this will be kind of no numerical values, but still you can see the map. So you can change the labels here. And in the classified, you can change the label name here. So this is the range, and label name is kind of like, if you select onto the label, you can format the labels. And here I'm going to use the significant decimal places to be 2. See? Okay, so this is kind of decimal places to be 2. Yeah. Now if I apply, I can see this labels. So in mapping, you can typically round this and see what values are in each colors. Okay. So thank you for watching and happy research.